So today we're going to talk about introduction to algebra. So allow me to have this mathematical sentence. So we are going to change this to symbol. So let X be Mr. Talaid's present age and let Y be his student present age. So this is now the mathematical sentence. Mr. Talaid's present age is 5 less than 4 times his student age now. Again, Mr. Talaid's present age is 5 less than 4 times his student age now. So how are we going to translate that? So we all know that Mr. Talaid represents the variable x or the letter x, while y for his student. So present age. So that is equal to x is equal to 4y minus 5y. So first, we are going to have Mr. Talaid's present age that is represented by x is that is equal 5 less than, meaning we are going to subtract 5. So that is why you've noticed that we have here minus 5 is written after 4y, not before 4y, because we will not subtract. 5 is not being subtracted, but we have to subtract 5. So that's why you have to be very careful. That is, when talk about 5 less than, meaning we are going to subtract. Oh, 5 less than, we are going to subtract 5 4 times. So 4 times the student age now. So take note that 4y is also the same as multiplication. So therefore, x is equal to 4y minus 5. Now suppose the age of the student is 12. So if the age of the student, if the student is 12, so the age of Mr. Tala is 43y. So this x is equal to 4y minus 5, that is x is equal to 4 times y is equal to 12. 4 times 12 is equal to 48. Minus 5 is equal to 43. So in short, Mr. Talaid's present age is 43. So this will lead us to our discussion on the meaning of algebra. So therefore, what is algebra? Algebra, it is a branch of mathematics that use symbols to represent a known quantity. Again, one of the branches of mathematics is algebra. So is what makes algebra unique from other branches of mathematics? Because we have geometry, statistics, trigonometry, we have calculus. So algebra used symbols to represent unknown quantities, just like what we in our previous slides that we use letters to represent the unknown quantity. So what are the unknown quantities there? It's about ages of Mr. Talaid and his student's age. So take note that when we talk about algebra, it uses symbols to represent a known quantity. Now, I have here some of the terms used in studying algebra. So let us define this first. So in algebra, any missing numbers or unknown numbers are always represented by any letter from the alphabet. So that letter or this letter which used to stand for a known number is called a variable. So X and Y are variables. So the age of Mr. Talaid and the age of his student is represented by a variable. So X and Y are variables. So it is not just only X and Y, we also A, B, C to Z. So letters in the English alphabet are called variables. Now, aside from that, we have also the constant. So a number having exact or fixed value is called constant. So meaning any number that has fixed value that cannot be changed. For example, 5. So that is constant. 3/4, that is constant. A point 3, 7, negative 8 are examples of a constant. So again, constant is exact or fixed value. Unlike on the variables, meaning that is not constant because you can assign any uh, values of that given variable or letters. For example, if the going back to the previous slide, if the age of the student is 11, So meaning the value of y is not 43, it is 49. That's x equal to 4y minus 5. So see, so constant is meaning it's a fixed value. Now we have also exponent. What is exponent? Is a superscript written above the base which tells us how many times the base is used as a factor. So exponent is written on the upper rightmost of the given base. So the base can be a number or a letter or an expression such as, okay, for example, we have here b is our base and 2 is our exponent. So this is read as b to the power of 2. So again, this is b to the power of 2 or b squared. So which means we are going to multiply b twice by itself. So b times b because exponent indicates how many times the base multiplied by itself or used as a factor. So this time b is used twice or two times as a factor. So b times b. And the expression, in this expression, this is the quantity of 5b to the power of 4. Take note that our base now is 5ab. So that is the quantity, meaning the grouping symbol, the quantity 5ab raised to the power of 4 or to the power of 4, which means 5ab times 5ab times 5ab times 5ab. So we have here the fourth power. So next, so I have here an example. So this is 3 to the power of 4, wherein the exponent is 4, the base is 3, meaning you are going to multiply 3, the base 4 times to itself. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 4 to the power of 3. So still, 3 now is our exponent. The base is 4. That is 4 cube. This can be also read as 4 cube. 4 times 4. The same also for the quantity 9a square. So that is 9a times 9a. So suppose we have here a x plus the quantity x plus 2 cube. So meaning this time our base is x plus 2 and our exponent is 3. So or the quantity x plus 2 cube, that is x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus.
I never made it, but I know